download and transfer, live cricket, discover funny stickers. It's kinda great. New trending status and many more things. I think it's a great browser. I have used it in, I think so, 2 years back with my old phone which does not have Chrome, and it's really fast and great. That's why I reviewed it today. First is 2 stars. I actually like this app, but the last two updates had made it difficult to handle. Double clicking on pictures does not open them up anymore, and the option of having a transparent background so I can use a darker theme that last effect on my that has less effect on my eyes. Scrolling has also become slower, I hope. Okay, so he said basically the app becomes slower and very with bad features. You please, if you update a app, guys, please notice what are you doing with this. Okay, next are developer contact. So it's the email of the developers, as you can see. So in next video I will review the similar app available using mini download video.